Hey, what is up everyone? Jesse with Hot Off the Wheels here, bringing you another die-cast video. I've got to bring you some Hot Wheels, of course. So check these out. Let's move our little thingamabob over here, our little spinner. But yep, like I said guys, if you checked out my last video, I was going to unbox these for you in the next video, and here we are. So let's get into it. I don't want to waste a lot of time. I want to try to keep the videos as short as I can for you guys. But yeah, really excited. So in no particular order, I'll let you know which number I'm on. This is the Marvel set, by the way. If you're, first time watching, you didn't watch the last video. This is the Marvel set, found at Walmart. I believe it to be a Walmart exclusive. I'm not 100% sure of. So if you find out otherwise, let me know. But so we're gonna get into my favorite casting right here. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, yes. Well, I'm not the most efficient at this stuff, guys, so bear with me. Boom, boom. Here we are. Finally. 10 years later, we finally got into the pack. Check it out. Check out that beauty. So sweet. So very sweet. Yep, so that is the Thor. And if you're not familiar with Thor, I'll just give you a quick rundown. Thor is the god of thunder. Basically, he's a god of thunder. He lives on a planet called Asgard. Basically, he pretty much got got into some trouble. And got pretty much got placed on Midgard, which is Earth, and where he's basically the superhero everybody loves and adores. La 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 la. So yep, that is Thor's car, God of Thunder. I really like this casting a lot. Really sweet. We're gonna put him over here, and I'll show you cars at the very end of the video. Next up, let's go with Iron Man. Iron Man. And if you're not sure about Iron Man, his basically his name's Tony Stark, and Iron Man is basically his alter ego of sorts. So let's get right into this. A little bit better there, a little easier. The last one was a little embarrassing, guys, but yeah, this is Iron Man's car. But yeah, these are all Marvel superheroes. Some of these are going to be super villains. But yes, this is Iron Man's car. Pretty interesting. It's got the Iron Man on the side, the graphics. Pretty nice details overall. Nothing too over the top, but definitely eye-catching. So yeah, Iron Man is pretty sweet. He's got that, powered exoskeleton. If you don't know what happened to him, basically got into a little trouble, and he had a master, as a master engineer, he had to come up with an exoskeleton that pretty much turned him into the superhero he is. So that was Iron Man. Next is Ultron. Bang. Ultron, ladies and gentlemen. This is number 2 of 6 in the pack, or in the set. Let's go ahead and rip right into that. Rip. Let's see how long it takes me to get into this guy. Hold on, it's a little easier on this side of the camera sometimes. Let's see here. Dun, dun. It's a little proving to get a little difficult there. He finally came out. Yeah, this was Ultron car. Yeah, this is the Ultron vehicle. And I don't know a ton about Ultron. I know he's a super villain. Basically, he's kind of the nemesis to the Avengers. And as far as I know, he was the first Marvel comic character that showcased adamantium, which is like the metal alloy. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. Nice little car. Got the Ultron on the side, the graphics. Kind of like I'm not really sure what's up with the back there, like, you know, on top of the tailgate, so to speak. A really nice car. I like the stance a lot. Get the little, almost looks like a car slash truck, you know, like one of those El Camino type things, but yeah, I think it's meant to be more of a truck. Really sweet. Next we have Captain America. So yeah, Captain America, this is number 3 in the pack. Number 3. Let's go ahead and rip right into this. There we go. So yep, this is Captain America car. You've got the iron shield on top that's almost indestructible, that he, you know, showcases in his armor. But yeah, Captain America, he first appeared in the comics in 1941. Number 1 Captain America comics. He was the number 1 comic there, and but yeah, he's Captain America is like the patriotic super soldier. You know, his name is Steven Rogers, but his alter ego is, of course, Captain America. But really nice details here. I like the chrome and the engine on the back, the chrome on the front hood. Pretty nicely done. So let's move on. That was Captain America. Now we've got Red Skull, number 4 of 6 here. Bang. Red Skull. Pretty nice cards. I like these cards a lot. So yes, we have Red Skull here. So let's go ahead and crack right into Red Skull. Ah, easiest one to open so far. Look at that. So yeah, you got Red Skull. And Red Skull is a fictional supervillain. His arch enemy, of course, is Captain America. But yeah, he's also kind of, I believe he's portrayed as like a Nazi agent. If you, I don't think they're gonna show it on the card stock here, you know, on the card. But you know, yeah, he's basically like a Nazi agent. But so yeah, and of course, you know, Captain America is all about America and protecting the, you know, the just, and you know, so they're obviously you know, arch enemies of sorts. So yeah, pretty nice. I like the headlights a lot. It's probably one of my favorite things about this car. I wish they did this with more cars. Nice little details, kind of like a matte black. Pretty well done. Let me know your thoughts on Red Skull here. We'll put him over here. And last but not least, we've got Loki, number 6 in the pack, 6 of 6. Got Loki, which is Thor's, you know, Thor's somewhat brother. You know, let's break into this guy. Yeah, so it's Thor's, you know, evil slash misunderstood brother. Not technically blood related, but they did grow up together. I don't know a ton about Loki. I know he's, you know, he's basically a god in Norse mythology, and he's a shapeshifter, or has been known to shapeshift. Not necessarily in the movies or anything that I know of. I mean, I know he can kind of make himself like appear, and you know, and kind of like appear as a kind of like a, I don't know, hologram of sorts. But so yeah, he's got all kind of different like abilities to freeze, things of that nature. But yeah, I don't know a ton about his background, but pretty nice little car here, a little nice casting, like a deep green, little gold rims. Of course, you got the Loki graphics on the side, and his little, you know, emblems on the hood, and there goes Loki. Loki didn't want to be there anymore. Like I said, he likes to disappear. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoy this 6 set of Hot Wheels check out these marbles. Pretty nicely done. I have to give Hot Wheels a little credit on this set. Pretty nice overall. I really like the way they did the headlights. I wish Hot Wheels would do more of that going forward. Yeah. Let me know your favorite casting in this group. Let me know your favorite superhero or supervillain. Your favorite Marvel comic character. Leave me a comment. And guys, I definitely greatly appreciate it if y'all would leave me a like on this video, and think about subscribing if you haven't already. I've got a pretty sweet video coming up. I placed a nice little order on eBay. I don't buy a ton through eBay, but found a pretty sweet set. I like it at least. It's not like a rare one necessarily, so it's not like worth a lot of money, but it's a really nice, clean set. I think you'll like it. So stay tuned for that, guys. And thanks for watching. Happy peg hunting, wherever you're going, wherever you're, searching for, Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Green Machines, whatever it might be. I hope you're having great success peg hunting, diecast collecting, and until next time, guys. Peace.